Ever wondered what smog is and how it affects our environment? Smog is a type of air pollution that clouds our view and chokes our airways. It's a murky mix of smoke, dust, and other particles, mingled with fog, that often shrouds our cities and industrial zones. Despite its seemingly harmless appearance, smog poses a significant threat to our health and the environment. Now that we know what smog is, let's dive deeper into its two main types, oxidizing and reducing smog. Ever heard of the term Los Angeles smog? That's another name for oxidizing smog. This type of smog is characterized by its unique chemical composition, predominantly consisting of ozone and other oxidants. It's the result of a complex chemical reaction involving sunlight and primary pollutants, such as nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds. Now, imagine a sunny day in Los Angeles. The warm, sunny climate is the perfect catalyst for this reaction, leading to the creation of oxidizing smog. This is why it's more common in warmer regions with plenty of sunshine. The combination of these elements results in a hazy, often yellowish sky, and can lead to a variety of health issues, including respiratory problems. But the story of smog doesn't end with its oxidizing form. There's another type of smog lurking out there, known as reducing smog. So, that's oxidizing smog for you. But what about reducing smog? Let's find out. Reducing smog, or London smog, is another type of smog with its own unique characteristics. Unlike oxidizing smog, which we've just discussed, reducing smog is primarily composed of sulfur dioxide and particulate matter. These pollutants are the byproducts of burning fossil fuels, especially coal. Now, let's paint a picture in your mind. Imagine a cold, damp climate. You can almost feel the chill in your bones, right? Well, these are the conditions in which reducing smog thrives. It's more common during winter months when there's less sunlight to help disperse the pollutants. Reducing smog hangs low in the atmosphere, creating a thick gray fog that blankets cities and towns. It's not just an unsightly nuisance. It's a major health concern. Breathing in these particles can cause respiratory problems and other health issues. And that, folks, is reducing smog. But how does all this smog affect our environment? Smog isn't just an eyesore. It has serious impacts on our environment too. It's like an uninvited guest causing harm to our green friends, plants. It stunts their growth, damages leaves, and diminishes crop yields. But it doesn't stop there. Wildlife suffer too, as the quality of their habitats deteriorates. And let's not forget, smog is a major player in the global warming game, amplifying the greenhouse effect by trapping heat. So the next time you see a haze in the sky, remember, it's not just fog, it might be smog. Now you're a bit more informed about what that hazy sky could mean. We've journeyed through the murky world of smog, dissecting its two main types, oxidizing and reducing smog, and the distinct ways they form. We've also seen how these airborne invaders impact our environment, disrupting ecosystems and compromising human health. The more we understand, the better equipped we are to tackle these issues. Stay informed, stay safe, and do your part to reduce air pollution. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you.